You know, coffee is that magical thing that keeps all of us awake. And like monkeys, we rush around all day. Coffee, yes. Coffee is the thing that keeps us awake and makes us run around all day like monkeys. Without coffee, it feels like something is missing. But why do we stay awake? What actually happens is that something called adenosine slowly accumulates in our brain. Adenosine slows us down. The more it accumulates, the more it triggers fatigue. And this is where coffee comes onto the scene, because the caffeine in it resembles adenosine and attaches to adenosine receptors without the sleep-inducing effect. So the brain gets tricked. We feel energetic in this situation. But if we keep drinking coffee for too long, the brain produces even more adenosine. That means you need to drink more coffee for the same effect. And if you try to stop, fatigue hits hard. And on top of that, caffeine triggers adrenaline. Coffee can be addictive, but still, drinking it in moderation feels really good. A 50-kilogram monkey would have to drink 50 cups of coffee. Balance is needed, so this is impossible. Caffeine's effect in the body lasts 6 hours, meaning if you drink a cup of coffee, its effect reduces by half in 6 hours. Coffee makes our lives better. Have you had your coffee today? Comment below. Are we awake like monkeys or tired?